Hi Meenal and Jordan, I am here on site today to give you a personalised construction update on your property. Now there are no trades here at the moment, actually the landscape is down the back, but the building supervisor has just dropped by to open up for me, and progress is going towards practical completion quite smoothly, and this visit is just to make sure that everything is moving in the right direction for you as we approach that stage. So I'll lock up after I finish. I am today checking on the finer details so that we can prepare for handover and start mapping out the next steps for you. Now, one important thing to note is the rear yard. I'm going to take you around the back and explain to you. The builder has advised me that the contract specifications for this has been left blank, which means no turf or planting will be installed as part of your build and landscaping. So to prevent future erosion and to protect the grounds long term, I recommend getting mulch down as soon as possible and adding basic plants to stabilize the soil. They still have the rear fence panel detached, and this is something that we should address before settlement or immediately after handover so the area is stabilized properly and doesn't create problems later on. Everything else is progressing as we move closer to completion. I'll continue to provide you with the updates so that you stay fully informed each step. I also will prepare for practical completion inspection, review those defects and begin planning the marketing timeline to secure the interest and have a tenant ready for you post handover. If you have any questions, reach out to me. Coming down Volca, so this is the progress of your property. The landscapers have been, now I'm going to take you quickly through the properties themselves. It hasn't had its clean, but all the internal painting has pretty much been done. Okay, they've protected the treads. The final paint is probably go through the outside. Front bedroom, the carpets are in. So there you go, that is definitely the solar panels. So you do have solar panels. Alright, and there's the internal power cutoff, and that would be your NBN. Manhole is up. I can see that there is insulation, which is great. Sucking's up. Obviously I won't be able to jump up and have a look on what is happening up. Linen cupboards are okay, it's under control. Bedroom 1, you do have an air conditioner here, which is really good. I will take off my shoes and go into here. So you have your built-in robe, vanities and toilet is in. Tilers have been, they'll finish off the siliconing when they come and finish off to the gap seal down the bottom. Make sure that it is all watertight. Coming to here, you have your laundry. Okay, as soon as you open up the, oh, actually, okay, the light was, and your kitchen. Okay, so this is the really important thing. The landscapers down the back. And they will turf just this top section. What is from that fence line in this corner, going down where the gentleman is scraping it, will be nothing. Okay, so I can see there's some drainage here running through, which is good. Now, the biggest problem that you're going to have with this site is erosion. And I've been told that up the street, FRD are doing exactly the same up there, and that's all they're doing. They're just leaving it like this. It's being scraped out and it's being left. So something definitely needs to be done about that. You definitely will not be able to get a mower through this side. You can see the gap is really, really small. And likewise, we're going into Unit 2 is doing exactly the same. We've got this massive, big hot water system for Unit 2. So with regards to Unit 2, again, my concerns raised with the last inspection is the gap beside here is exceptionally small. You can still walk through it and they will landscape it. So here is your entry to Unit 2. Okay, again, it's your air conditioner, lovely aspect, goes out to the area, goes out to the outside entertaining area. They haven't finished the painting, but you have a fan here, which is great. The view is great. It is tiled. They will seal that side. There's your bedroom too. And your kitchen. Fridge space with the power. Just things like this, they'll do the touch-up, the final touch-ups before practical completion. You have your laundry in here. Bathroom. Storage. That would be the weather strips for the door. And this is your first bedroom, so this is your internal doorway. And this is where I have the concerns that if they traipse anything through here, it will be over the carpet. So being the main bedroom, it has the fan in there, and whoa, that definitely was an accident. They will replace that, don't worry. Okay, so that's Unit 2 for you. I will just lock that. Okay, lock that, pull it shut. Into your garage. I won't need to go in there. I dare say it's exactly the same. Okay. Coming back into Unit 1, I'll just make sure that I lock up. I was going to lock up that, but the lock's not in yet.